Welcome to day 20 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we have a refreshing full body yoga flow. Let's begin standing in mountain pose at the top of the mat. Ground your feet down. Lengthen the crown of the head up to the ceiling and relax your shoulders away from the ears. Drop your chin down to the chest and circle your head a few times from one shoulder to another, moving in your own tempo, stretching the neck, keeping your face, jaw, shoulders relaxed. Bring your head back to center. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend the elbows, draw them in towards the ribs, lift up through the heart. Inhale, sweep your arms up, lengthen through the sides of the waist. Exhale, bend the elbows, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Inhale, reach up, lengthen. And exhale, draw your shoulder blades together, lift your heart. Stay here. Take a few deep breaths into your chest, creating more space around your heart and lungs. Then bring your arms forward, cross your left arm over the right to catch your wrist or press the palms together in eagle arms, or just keep your hands on top of your shoulders. Inhale, lift your elbows, lean slightly back into back bend. Exhale, bend the knees, round the spine, drop your chin down. Inhale, lift the elbows, lean back, look up. And exhale, curl down, slightly bend the knees. One more time. Inhale, lift your arms. And exhale, round the spine. With inhale, come back to standing, reach your arms out to the sides, bend the elbows. And exhale, switch sides, right arm over the left, find your eagle arms variation. Inhale, lift the elbows, little back bend. And exhale, around the back, drop the chin down. Inhale, lift. And exhale, around. One more time. Inhale, lift your elbows even higher. And exhale, round everything down. With inhale, open your elbows to the sides, lift your chest. And exhale, release arms down by the sides. Inhale, reach arms up to the sky. Exhale, fall down into forward bend. Step your feet back into downward facing dog. Maybe walk your feet out a few times to settle into this pose. And then we will move through modified Vinyasa. On the inhale, roll forward into plank, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, drop the knees down and round the back. Inhale, drop the belly, pull your shoulders back. And exhale, press back to downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward again, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, drop the knees down, press the floor way around the back. Inhale, arch the back, pull your shoulders back. Exhale, press back into downward dog. One more time. Inhale, forward into plank. Exhale, drop the knees, round the back. Inhale, drop the belly, arch your spine. Exhale, downward facing dog, press your hips up. Press your heels down. Inhale, lift your right leg up to the sky. Exhale, step your foot forward between your hands and raise up into high lunge. Bend your front knee, reach your arms up. Inhale in high lunge. Exhale, lean your torso forward, reach your arms back. Inhale back to high lunge, extend your arms to the sky. Exhale, lean forward, arms back, airplane lunge. One more time, lift your arms, inhale. Bend forward, exhale. Inhale back to high lunge, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, warrior two. For side angle variation, bring your right forearm to the side and take your left hand back behind your lower back or reach for your right inner thigh. Roll your left shoulder back, opening the shoulder and chest more up towards the ceiling. A few deep breaths. Inhale, reach your left arm up to the sky. Exhale, bring your hands down and step back into downward facing dog. Same on the other side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, bring your foot forward. Raise up into high lunge. Reach your arms up. Find your stable lunge position. Inhale here. Exhale, lean forward, arms back. Inhale in high lunge. Exhale, airplane lunge. One more inhale. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, open warrior two. Find your side angle on this side, left forearm on this side, right hand behind your lower back or reaching for your left thigh. Roll your top shoulder back, rotating your chest a bit more to the ceiling. Inhale, stretch your right arm up. Exhale, hands down, step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, drop the knees down, tabletop. Shift weight into your left hand and bring your right hand behind your lower back, just like you did in side angle. With inhale, rotate your chest to the ceiling, pull your right shoulder back. Exhale, round the upper body down. Inhale, open the chest to the ceiling. And exhale, curl. One more time like this. Inhale, pull your right shoulder back. And exhale, round and slide your right arm under your left armpit. Lower your right shoulder down. You can extend your left arm forward or even bring your left hand behind your lower back or reach for the right inner thigh. Find a comfortable twist here. Stay for a few breaths. Make your way back to tabletop position and bring your left hand behind your lower back. Inhale, roll your left shoulder back and exhale, round the back towards the ground. Inhale, pull your chest open. Exhale, round. One more big inhale. And exhale. Slide your left arm under your right armpit, lower the left shoulder. And find a comfortable position for your right arm, stretching the arm forward or bringing the hand on your lower back. Make your way back into tabletop. Take 2-3 rounds of simple cat-cow just to release the back after these twists. Then press up to your knees. Bring your palms together to your heart and step your left foot forward into low lunge. We will go into another deep twist here. So ground your front foot down, back toes tucked or pointed. Inhale here. Exhale, twist to the left and hook your right elbow to the outside of your left knee. Keep breathing deeply into the rib cage. With inhale, creating more space. With exhale, maybe twisting a little bit more. Deep, full breaths. Slowly untwist. Take your left leg back and step your right foot forward. Find your low lunge. Inhale. And with exhale, twist, hook your left elbow to the outside of the right knee. Deep breath in, full breath out. Slowly untwist, take your right leg back Sit down to your heels and walk your hands forward into child's pose. Release your forehead to the mat. Release your breath. Try to soften your whole body. Taking a few moments to rest. Slowly come up into a comfortable seat. Close your eyes for another moment. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. And open your eyes to finish the practice. I hope you enjoyed today's practice and all the twists we did. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 21. Bye!